The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery neutralized 4 Ukrainian command posts close to Stepovaya Novoselovka in Kharkov region, Kolodezi in Donetsk People's Republic, Trifonovka, Andreevka in Kherson region, as well as 62 artillery units in firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 186 areas. A Ukrainian defense enterprise producing solid rocket fuel, explosives and gunpowder for the armed forces of Ukraine was wiped out near the city of Pavlograd in Dnepropetrovsk region. Russian aerospace forces have shot down one Mi-8 helicopter of Ukrainian Air Force near Novotroitskoye in Zaporozhye region. In the past 24 hours, Russian air defense systems have shot down 4 unmanned aerial vehicles over Olgovka, Tyaginka, Lvov in Kherson region, Zelony Gai in Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 6 projectiles of the US HIMARS MLRS were intercepted close to Antonovka in Kherson region. In total, 326 airplanes and 163 helicopters, 2,353 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 6,104 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 876 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 3,531 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,805 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.